Hi everyone. If you want to increase your sales on Amazon, then you must utilize Amazon promotions. So in this video, I will go through the steps how to create Amazon promotions. So if you go to your product, so we'll use the vegetable chopper as the example that I was used. This person is having a 20% off at any sale. So if anybody buy this vegetable chopper, they will receive 20% at the checkout, and it's automatically will be added. So he made the setting so it's automatically added. So there are other settings that you can do. If you wanted to hide it here, for example, and you wanted to show in your social media only, all these options are available to you. So to do Amazon promotion, we go to Seller Central and then advertising. Most things happen at advertising. And then manage promotions. In the UK, it's called manage promotions. And in the US, it's just called promotions. But it's exactly the same thing. And then we have two options. We have the percentage off. So if you wanted to show like this other guy example, a percentage off 5%, 10%, whatever percentage you wanted to offer, and then buy one, get one free. So let's try the percentage off. So you will go to create. Now, buyer purchase, this is automatically set up on Amazon. So if somebody bought two of you, they will get 5%. How about we do one? So any sales, they will get 5%. So you can do it that way, or you can do it 2%. And so you can do it either for every sale they get 5%, or for every 2 sales they get 5 or 10, whatever you decide. And then what are the purchased items? So you can either do an ASIN list, so you have a list of the promotion that apply to those products, or you can do the entire catalog. So depending on how many products you have, or if you want to do promotion on the entire catalog. So for example, if they bought 2 and they get 5% on the entire catalog, that would increase sales. Let's say we do an ASIN list. So we have an ASIN. So we will write the ASIN here, the ASIN number. Okay. And then buyer percentage off is 5%. We'll do it, and this apply to the purchase item. So they buy one, they get 5%, apply to the purchased item. Set a budget. This is just a budget. So how much you need to spend on that promotion. It doesn't really matter what number you want to do, depending on the budget. So that will stop if it reaches 80%. So do as 1,000 or even more. It doesn't really matter. You can also do tiers. So for example, if somebody buy one, they get 5%. And if they buy 2, for example, maybe they get 15%. Okay. And so on and so forth. So you can do tiers as well. And then the start date. So when the date is going to be started. So they started today, and end date is normally the end date will be the same day as well. So make sure that you do an end date. So let's say if you want the promotion running for a week, a month, depending on what date you want. So we'll do it for a month. And the start date has to be 4 hours ahead. If you do it before that, they'll say no, it's not gonna run. So 4 hours ahead. So if you set it up at 12, it will be available at 4. Okay. Then promotion title. So this one, it does not show for the customer. It says this will not be displayed for Amazon customer. So you can write whatever promotion title that you want. So just a reminder for you. So we write, for example, it's a 5%. Let's say it's a New Year, a special offer, Christmas offer, whatever. So you can remind you what it is. And then tracking ID. So this is tracking as well. So you can write a percentage off and then the date, or you can write another one so you can track it. Okay. And now the claim code. Remember I was saying this person had it as available at checkout. So Amazon will automatically add it. They don't need to add any code to claim it. So this is the option. If you do none, that mean will be visible on Amazon. Anybody that see the listings, that will be visible for them. So they will just add it to the cart and then they will get the discount. Now for group code. So for this type of promotion, you will get a claim code. So the person needs to enter that claim code in order for them to redeem the promotion. So it's not going to be automatically like none. This could be used, for example, if you have your own social media that you can promote this code, and also you give it to influencer. So this is how you do group code. You can suggest a code. So Amazon will give you some code, or you can write a code yourself, like something that customer can remember. Let's say Christmas 15. For example, if it's Christmas deal, if it's a spring deal. So you can write something like that so it's easy for people to remember and distribute it. For this one, you can do one redemption per customer. So the basically deal applies to one customer if you want. If you still profitable and you don't mind they get more than one, if it's just 10 or 50%, then you can remove that one. Okay. For single use, you will get a code. So depending on how many you wanted, let's say you're doing 30 promotion or 50 promotion, you will get single use. So you know exactly who's redeeming it because you will give it to certain customers or certain people and they will redeem that, and then you basically have granular control how many promotion you've given and how many is being claimed, and you know exactly how much it cost you. So there's more control with the single use. Again, you can do one redemption per customer if you want to do that. For none, that option is not available, so you can't do that, okay, for claim code. Now, if you go back to this, so the claim code, we've done our claim code. Now start promotion. Yes, allow stacking, or no, don't allow stacking. That means if there is more than 2 offers with the customer give both offers, we say no. We just want them to get 1 offer, so no, don't allow that stacking. Your promotion will not stack with vouchers, it says here, okay? And then show promotion in detail page. Do we need to show it in detail page? So do you want it to show it in Amazon as well? If so you can write here, save whatever it is. Again, save 20% or 20% at the checkout. You can say detail page display text, you can write it here, okay? So depending what is your promotion, you decide what to do. They need to put a claim code or none with no claim code, so automatically is applied. Anybody buys from you, they will get that discount. So this is how you do a percentage off, okay? For buy one, get one free, we'll create that one as well, just so we can go through with them. So for this one, buyer purchase 2 items, and then they will get the purchase item, which means if they buy 2 of the same item, they will get one of the purchase item free. So you write the ASIN number here that you will offer, and then it tells you here buyer gets a free item. So they get a free item, applies to purchase item. So they need to get 2. So the benefit of the how many quantity is 1. So person get 1 if they buy 2. And the rest of the form is exactly the same as the percentage off. So you can decide is a single use, group, or none. So this is how we create promotion. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like, please like, subscribe, and share.